Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning yourself where bait congregates, like a calm inlet near structure. Once done, hold the spread point between thumb and forefinger and gather the net's horn in your other hand. Make 1 or 2 short practice swings to feel the weight and timing. This reduces bellying. Throw with a smooth circular motion, release at the apex so the net opens fully. Keep your wrist loose and your eyes on the water to judge drift and current. You refine placement by reading the water, look for wakes or diving birds and aim slightly ahead of moving bait. Once the net lands, give it 1 to 2 seconds to sink so the weights reach depth. Then steady your hand and retrieve with a smooth, inward pull to collapse the net and trap fish. If the wind blows, throw more force. If current runs strong, angle your cast upstream. Make sure to use your free hand on the hand line to guide closure and prevent tangle. You finish by quickly collapsing the net and guiding the lead line toward you while scooping bait into a bucket. Move deliberately so fish don't escape. Once done, inspect catches and redistribute small fish to aerated bait wells. If the net bellies and fails to open, shorten your arc and speed up the release. Practice smaller casts to rebuild rhythm. If tangles occur, stop and untwist calmly. Make sure to coil the net on a spool or bag after each session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.